Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily view your saved password on your Android device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open your Gmail account. For that, head toward the Gmail application and log in with your account details. After that, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to Google account option. Once you head toward the Manage Google Account section, in the tab bar, simply search for Security. Scroll all the way down and you will be able to see the option of Password Manager. Click on Manage Password. As in this account, I have not used any password, so I will be switching to another Gmail account to show you how it looks. As you can see, in this account there are a lot of applications. I will tap on any one of it, and then you will be able to provide your identification and see your password. Simply copy it and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.